To enable battery saver in Google Pixel, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down to the battery section and then you can go for the battery saver. Here on the top there's a switch that allows you to activate or deactivate battery saver. There's two different modes for it. Standard battery saver, which limits visual effects and background activity, turns on dark mode if not already on. So it tries to adjust visual effects like display refresh rate, dark mode, and etc. To lower your battery usage. You can also go for extreme battery saver, which includes all of the changes that were listed above, but additionally it blocks all of the apps from existence, so they won't function as they used to, they won't work in the background, and they won't be able to send you notifications. You can click on the gear icon next to it to add those apps to the exception list, which will make those apps that you click plus button on work in the background normally, even though the extreme battery saver is toggled on. Also on the bottom there's scheduled and reminders. You can turn battery saver based on your battery level, so when your battery drops to 20% when this option is active, it will automatically activate battery saver. Of course you can go for any percentage that you want right here, but not lower than 20. You can also turn off a battery saver when you charge your phone to 90%, and there's reminders that can be sent for battery saver. You will get notifications when your battery is low. And lastly, on the bottom there's adaptive battery, which will try to automatically adjust everything running in the background so that you can save your battery life. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.